If you have a thermal printer for your shipping needs, then you probably need labels too. These are awesome. They are 4 by 6 inches shipping labels, and each stack of these in the box comes with 500. This is in white, and it is fanfold, meaning it folds like a fan. And it's very easy to use. And all I do is thread it through, and then it grabs it. What I really like about it is how nice and smooth it comes out. So let me print a shipping label. Within seconds, it's going to spit out the shipping label. And because it's thermal, it does not waste ink, which I really love. It's really saved so much money that way. Plus time too, because before I used to actually print it out on regular paper. The labels were only half the page, so I had to cut it in half, wasted the other side, plus ink too. Now this way, it's so easy. All I do is print it, rip it out, and then I'm good to go. Now I can just slap it onto my package. You just peel it off, just like this. And then you stick it on. Perfect. Let me show you a close-up. So this is what it looks like now that I have put it on. Of course, I'm going to blur out my address as well as the barcodes, but you get the gist of it. Look how nice that is. Plus, the smooth edging, it will not come apart. It sticks on there really nicely because you do not want it to accidentally come off. Definitely am so impressed with this quality. And it's just so smooth. And as you can see, it does not rub off because it is thermal. No ink required. So there's no drying time either. So if you're looking for shipping labels that are good quality and inexpensive too, I definitely recommend these. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.